For several years, Telstra has been staring really deeply into understanding the capabilities that we're going to need to support our customers as industrial automation accelerates throughout the Australian economy. One of the most obvious areas of that investment is in foundational technologies like 5G and some of our data platforms. So we've literally invested billions of dollars in making sure that that technology foundation is available to Australia and Australian enterprises.
For the first time ever now, we've seen a technology that is capable of fulfilling all the demands of enterprise.
5G also has the ability to provide very low latency, which is really important in applications involving things like remote control or augmented reality, where humans are very sensitive to things like latency. Another key feature of 5G has to do with what we call device density. 5G has been designed to be able to cope with millions of devices in a coverage zone. In a lot of industrial use cases, you have applications that have very tight constraints on the network. 5G gives you the ability to allocate network resources, separate them and guarantee them for those applications.
From small sensors that are just sending tiny packets of data once an hour or once a day, all the way through to those other high demand applications. It'll cover all of that in one network. Private 5G provides you with the control over the network, complete end-to-end control. You can set the priority and the quality of service for all of your applications.
The design, the implementation and the running of those industrial networks is absolutely critical. We've acquired an organisation named Acura, who are one of Australia's foremost organisations with deep experience across a range of industries on designing, building and running industrial networks.
With a combination of Telstra, we are able to bring together a full ecosystem that covers everything from private to public, and we can satisfy all the use cases that our clients need with everything in between.
One of the other capabilities that is in really short supply in Australia is around the convergence of operational technology and information technology. How they work together securely is very fundamental. We've acquired an organisation called Alliance Automation, who are one of the foremost organisations in Australia with a very large skill base in the skills that are necessary for that sort of IT-OT convergence. The pointy end of industrial automation, whether it's physical or information automation, is the ability to take all of that digitised data coming out of the automation and to create actionable insights from it. So we've created a joint venture with an organisation named Quantium, who are quite possibly Australia's largest single pool of data science and data engineering expertise with really strong focus on solving enterprise problems. The real glue that enables you to bring those together is an organisation called Telstra Purple. We have over 2,000 highly skilled and deeply experienced professionals in managed services and in professional services that really help tie all aspects of industrial automation programs together.
We're now in an era of the art of what's possible. Your imagination is the constraint. You can, within reason, deploy technology to satisfy any use cases that you might have. I think it's there today. We just need to work together to make it happen.